Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Negril and we're going to talk about the Negril International Airport. Now the government announced recently that they are going to be upgrading the Negril Aerodrome to an international airport. It's going to be done in phases, but this will be the fourth international airport in Jamaica. So they had announced recently that they were looking into building a fourth international airport, and Vernon Field in Clarendon was the front runner for the location. But it has now been announced that the fourth international airport will be the Negril International Airport in Negril, Jamaica, which is in Westmoreland. We're actually driving on the Norman Manley Boulevard, which is the main road that takes you through Negril. So this is just an update video. Over the weekend, we will make a video of the Negril Aerodrome so you can see what's there. So the government plans to upgrade the Negril Aerodrome in phases. Phase 1 will be to convert it from an aerodrome to an international airport, similar to what was done in Ocho Rios for the Ian Fleming International Airport. It was the Boscobel Aerodrome, and then they upgraded it to the Ian Fleming International Airport. Now, phase 1 will be to convert the Negril Aerodrome to an international airport that can land the small planes, similar to what's happening at the Ian Fleming International Airport. But phase 2 of the Negril project will be to extend the airport so that it can land the big planes. So this will definitely be a game changer for Negril, because Negril it will be very difficult to build a cruise ship here in Negril because the water is so shallow. The 7 Mile Beach, which is the most famous beach in Jamaica, is in Negril, and it's very shallow. So it will be very hard to build a cruise ship terminal there. So they have decided to upgrade the airport so that you can land the small planes in phase 1 and the larger planes in phase 2. So that definitely will be a game changer for Negril. Now, Negril is a tourist destination, without a doubt. The entire town is a tourist resort, basically. Hundreds of hotels, thousands of hotel rooms, and thousands more being built in Negril. So this airport will definitely get a lot of traffic. Now, when you're talking about traffic for airports, tourists use the Jamaican airports far more than Jamaicans travel. So to put the fourth international airport in a tourist resort is an excellent idea. So a third of all the tourism revenue that comes into Jamaica comes from Negril. A third. Negril is the second largest employer of tourism workers in Jamaica. And the 7 Mile Beach is one of the best beaches in the world. It has been voted as one of the best beaches in the world many years over. So that's one of the reasons for Negril to get the airport. Now, the busiest airport in Jamaica is the Sangster International Airport. Busiest by far. And 85% of the people who come through that airport are tourists. 85% of the people that come through the Sangster International Airport are tourists. And let's just say a third of them go to Negril. It's a very long drive. And although you have the Northern Coastal Highway, you still have problems going through Lucy, Hopewell, Sandy Bay. The road, it goes through the towns. So the government has announced they're going to build bypasses for these areas, but it's still a long way off. So upgrading the international airport will make it so much easier for persons to get to Negril. And Negril has so many hotels under construction. So many. You have the Princess, well, between Negril and Hanover, you have the Princess Resorts, 2,000 rooms. You have Sandals building or expanding their hotel there. You have the Viva Wyndham that's going up. I mean, it's endless. The Grand Palladium is expanding their hotel, 950 more rooms. You have on the North Coast, you have so many hotels going up. You have Secrets. Trelawney is actually one of the fastest growing tourism areas in Jamaica. So it's not a case where you're going to be taking traffic from the Sangster International Airport. That airport was recently expanded. The runway is being extended. The Negril Airport will just help with the traffic coming into Jamaica, because Jamaica is a booming tourism destination. Booming. I mean, 5,000 hotel rooms are going to come on stream over the next 5 years. Just within Negril and the outskirts of Negril, like a little up in Hanover, 5,000 new rooms in addition to the thousands that are already there. On the North Coast, I think you have over 8,000 rooms that are going to come on stream. I mean, everywhere in Jamaica you look, hotels are being built, and they're getting larger and larger. And for persons to get to these hotels, you have to come through these international airports. So while it's still a good idea to build out Vernon Field as an international airport, because that one will have a lot to do with logistics, I mean, like a logistics hub, it's an excellent idea to upgrade the Negril Aerodrome to the Negril International Airport. And we're going to keep you guys updated. We'll give you update videos every 2 weeks on this project to build out the Negril Aerodrome. Now, just to give you an idea of what's going on. So they want to upgrade the Negril Aerodrome to accommodate the small planes. So basically, the runway at the Negril Aerodrome is 2,200 feet. It's an aerodrome, it's not an international airport yet. So they would have to get it to at least 4,700 feet, which is the size of the Ian Fleming International Airport. And to give you an idea, to get it, that would be phase 1. And then phase 2, to get it to the point where it can land the big planes, it would have to get to about 9,000 feet. That's the size of the runway at the Norman Manley International Airport. And to get it to the size of the airport runway at Montego Bay, you're looking at 10,000 feet. So that's just where they have to get to, and they'll get there. Because the tourism industry is booming. It's bringing in money. Remember, the government makes money from taxes when people use the airport, such as departure tax. And they make money from the renting of the hotel rooms through the hotel tax or the room tax. So the government will spend the money to upgrade the airport, but they'll make it back over time. Alright guys, just giving you a quick update on the airports, the Negril International Airport. As I said, we'll keep you guys updated. We're actually going to do a video of the actual aerodrome as it is now over the weekend. So you can stay tuned for that, and we'll give you updates on this project every 2 weeks. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a good day.